حبيبي
nakupanda mi masaba
nakupanda mi masaba
وأجهد عاشقي
وأشهد عاشقي
وأجهد عاشقي وأجهد عاشقي
وأشهد عاشقي
أوكي أكسونو
أقصونو
إنان كتشعلهاي
إنان شكعلهاي
إنان
شكعلهاي
كتشعلهاي
كجعلهاي
So when you're when you're talking to a Somali, you talk girl or like
أقصونو إنان شكعلهاي
cool
علهاي
كتشعلهاي
أقصونو شكنا علهاي
No أكسونو إنان
أقصونو إنان شكعلهاي
أكسونو إنان كتشعلهاي
أقصونو إنان
كتشعلهاي
Coochie.
No, not coochie, but you can't call your girl coochie all the time. You're basically saying I love the coochie, innit? Oxono inan kucha'alahay.
Kucha'alahay.
Yes, Oxono inan kucha'alahay. And I love you more than my life.
And I love you more than my life.
أنا أحبك يا حبيبي.
أنا أحبك يا حبيبي.
نكباندا مي مسانا.
نكباندا مي مسانا.
وأجهد عاشقيك.
وأشهد عاشقيك.
وأجهد Wachi, you know what's that? Just use words that are similar. Chedada. Ashaqayga. You know Ashaq is Arabic. What's Arabic in Ashaq? Ashaq. So yeah, when you're talking to Somali girl, the Ashaq is related to Ishq.
Yeah, Ishq.
Yeah, see,
معلم.
Bro, you know my Arabic is good, isn't it?
Yeah,
I went Duxie and that, obviously. My teacher's in prison, by the way.
Yeah.
Not because of me. I'm joking. He's not in prison. My ma'alim was amazing.
Yes.
Hold him go. Okay, you know how to sing now, innit?
Yes.
Oxono.
But I completely forgot my mind. I'm blank.
Oxono inan kucha'alahay. And I love you more than my life.
And I love you more than my life.
أنا أحبك يا حبيبي.
أنا أحبك يا حبيبي.
نكماندا مي مسانا.
نكماندا مي مسانا.
نكماندا مي مسانا.
نكماندا مي مسانا.
You know, that's not even Somali, that's Swahili. Mariakum Zulisana.
Yeah.
وأجهد عاشقيك.
وأجهد عاشقيك.
So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna play the song.
أحبك يا حبيبي.
Yeah, keep going, bro. You got the lyrics, bro.
Something.
You know, this auntie put the Somali community on the map. You know that, yeah? Amazing, phenomenal.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
Without her, I don't know where we'd be here. Like,
put you lot on the map, innit?
You know what's her name? Yeah.
She needs to get paid.
She's probably gonna get paid. Don't forget about it. Always say her. What's her name?
Na'ma, innit?
Na'ma.
Yeah, is that her name Na'ma?
Nim'a. Nim'a Happy.
Na'ma Happy.
Yes. Her name is Nim'a Happy, yeah?
I thought it's Na'ma, you know?
Na'ma.
Yeah, Na'ma means...
Nim'a.
Na'ma means blessing, innit?
Hey.
Hey.
You know, you have to dance. You know how Somali dance, innit? It's gonna drop now, yeah. Wait, it's gonna come out. Yeah, it's coming out. Wait. It's gonna sing, yeah. It's coming out. 1, 2. وصولوا بنا كشعلها أنا love you more than my life أنا أحبك يا حبيبي وفي مسانا وأجهد عاشقيا 1, 2, go أنا أحبك you more than my life أنا أحبك يا حبيبي نكماندا مي مسانا وأجهد عاشقيا Hey, just do it. Hey. So guys, that's basically me teaching my friend how to sing the most famous Somali song out there. I think he did a great job.
Yeah.
Your pronunciation is just terrible. But
50-50,
yo,
you know.
50-50, Obama
We'll
shut
get
up,
there,
you know, no, you're
We'll
there,
get there
bro.
one day, innit?
My language is difficult anyway, you know Somali is
Yeah.
quite like, you can pronounce that well. This is my friend, by the way,
What up?
he's Arab, innit? عربية
Yeah.
عربية العرب ما أنا من عرب عربي شوي شوي.
Yeah.
Tell them where you're from, my brother. Just the people. For you, the people of
The
my
people.
country. They're watching you
I
live, my
am
brother.
Arab. I am from Iraq.
Oh, Iraqi.
Iraqi.
Yeah.
Yes.
Iraqi. Ah, Iraq.
They
You know, honestly, guys, yeah, my friend did a great.